your credit and divorce. Are you worried about protecting your credit while going through a divorce, possibly overwhelmed at the thought of it all? Are you feeling a little anxious because you don't know where to start with protecting your credit and you don't want it to be ruined because of your divorce? Well, here are 3 things that you should know to help protect your credit. Hi, I'm Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams, and I've helped lots of individuals over the years get their credit in order after the divorce. But here's the trick. Many of the reasons that their credit was actually needing to be fixed was because they didn't take a few precautionary steps beforehand. Yes, that's the key. The time to protect your credit is during the divorce and not after the dust has settled. Here are 3 major things that you need to do or think about to protect your credit during the divorce. Number 1, the first thing you should know about credit is that creditors do not honor divorce decrees. This is super important. If your ex-spouse makes a late payment on that account, it will still reflect on your credit if you are still on the account, even if your divorce decree states that your ex is responsible for that account. The lender on the account didn't agree to your divorce decree, so they don't care. They still expect both of you to pay back the money you borrowed plus interest as you initially agreed upon, and they'll report the account history appropriately. The second thing that you should know is that joint accounts will stay on your credit report until they're paid off and closed. When going through a divorce, you'll want to understand the difference between being an account holder and being an authorized user. If the account you've opened is joint, then both you and your spouse are financially responsible for the account. If you're an authorized user, you have the ability to use the account, but you are not financially obligated to pay it. And lastly, if you're the primary account holder, you're responsible for the account. Understanding this will help you in the future, regardless of what your divorce decree states. It's in your best interest to obtain a copy of your credit report and contact every creditor that's appearing on the reports to find out if the account is joint, if you're the account holder, or if you're just an authorized user. Close joint credit cards and accounts and remove your ex as an authorized user for any credit cards which may be open in your name only. The third thing you should do to protect your credit is to keep communication open with your creditors. Make sure that all the creditors that are reporting to the credit bureaus have your updated physical address and possibly your email. You'll want to have a discussion with them about removing an ex if they are not an authorized user. You may even want to freeze your credit reports with all 3 credit reporting agencies to prevent a vindictive ex from opening fraudulent accounts in your name. Understanding these 3 items will give you a better opportunity to save your credit from an exceedingly difficult situation. If you need to discuss these items further, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. And don't forget to speak to your attorney and also your tax consultant about any credit issues you might have. Again, this is Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges, and we're here to make realty dreams a reality, even in a divorce. Hope you have a great day, friends. Bye.